Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to enable file upload in Google Forms. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to docs.google.com/forms and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log in with your Google Form account. So basically what you need to do is go and log in with your email. But if you of course do not have an email, you can of course go and create it and then go and log into Google Forms. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So guys, as you can see here, we have the official first page of the Google Forms. Basically what you can do is go and create your own form by clicking on start a new form here. Then guys, your form will be popping up like this. Of course, in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the docs, sheets, slides, we have the forms, we have the settings option, we have the help and feedback where you can go and check out if you have some questions, and we have your Google Drive here. Also in the top, we have the search bar where you can go and search for some templates or something like that. Here you have your recent forms. As you can see, we just opened the form, so we have a recent form. And of course, in the top right corner, we have your account. So basically, this is where you can go and switch from an account to an account. And here we have, of course, as you can see, everything about Google that it has to offer. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable file upload in Google Forms. To do so, guys, here you have all the options. So you can go and add an image, you can add a video or add text or whatever file you want. So that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.